all fall. Fall off the wall. See all the balls? They're falling. They play. We play all day. They're just like you. You play all day. Night fight. We fight all night.
Idea. I want to do something in the bowl.
Mm-hmm.
What's it doing the bowl?
They're standing on the bed.
What?
You gonna get the ball?
Right
Want to take another bite? Take one more bite.
Right there.
He is after me. Him, Jim. Jim is after him. The dirty. Him.
What's it doing?
That little kid is biting the tail. That's gotta hurt, right? Look at that kid. He looks mean. Him, Jim. Jim is after him. That's Jim. CB, we see a bee.
In the water.
Yeah. Do you see the bee?
No, nobody.
He won't bite you. CB, 3. How many bees? 1, 2, 3. Now we see 3.
Like this.
If you see a bee, let them be. Okay? Don't bother a bee.
What's it doing?
They're flying. They're trying to sting them.
What's it up, down? Head? Like that?
Like that?
3 tree. 3 fish in a tree. Can you count? 1, 2, 3. Fish in a tree. How can that be? How do you think fish got in a tree? I don't think I've ever seen a fish in a tree. Want me to help you?
No, help me.
There's a piece right there. You want that one?
What are you eating?
Down?
1, 2, 3.
This is fish.
Yeah, there's 3 fish.
This is not fish.
They're not fish.
You want to make the tea.
Yeah.
You're our mermaid.
They're just regular fish. Want to see this on the next page?
I see one with the mermaid.
Look at his hair.
What is this?
Look at his red hair. Red, red. They call me Red. Why do you think they call him Red? Because he has red hair.
And you need help.
He needs help? Yeah, he needs a barber help. Do you think he needs a haircut, the bunny? Red bed. I am in bed. See the bed?
Sleeping?
Yeah, he's sleeping.
Wait a minute.
Look.
It's sleeping.
They're all sleeping in the bed. There's 4 people in the bed. That must be a big
I'll
bed.
lay down.
They're all laying down.
I'll lay down too. Over the helm.
Red, Ned, Ted, and Ed in bed. And now there's a bunny in the bed too. Where's he gonna fit? He can sleep right here. I think there's a room. All right, I'll turn the page. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, it's stuck. Pat. They call him Pat. See, Pat, he has gloves.
What's sitting there?
Pat sat on hat.
It's sitting in a hat.
Say, hey, Pat, watch out. Don't sit on my hat. Say, Pat, don't sit on my hat.
I need help.
Yeah. He's gonna flatten his hat. Pat sat on cat. He's sitting on a whole bunch of things. Look, he's sitting on a baseball bat. Pat sat on bat. Yeah.
You're sitting on a cat.
Yeah, see the cat? He says, ow!
You need help.
Yeah, the cat needs help.
No bear. No bear.
Say, don't sit on the cat.
Go away.
Get out of there. You saved the cat. Okay, he's happy now. All right. The bear didn't sit on the cat. No, Pat, no. Don't sit on that. That's a cactus.
This can hurt me.
Yeah. See all the spikes on there? Ouch.
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 Ouch. Wish I would get it.
Yeah, he's saying, do not sit on that. That's Pat. He sits on everything. He's got a sitting problem.
Is he itchy?
He's gonna be if he sits on those things. Look at that. I don't think he's very smart.
Is he itchy?
He's gonna be if he sits on that. Sad. Dad. Bad. Had.
That is sad.
He's sad.
What happened?
Yeah, they're wondering. Dad is sad.
The happened.
Yeah, they're gonna help him. Very, very sad.
The baby want to help him.
Yeah, they're saying, how are we gonna help him be happy?
They're gonna have to say save him.
Yeah.
Save.
They're gonna make him laugh. What can we do to make him laugh? What should we do?
It's save.
Should we tell him a joke? What kind of joke should we tell him?
I got idea.
What's your idea?
Ooh, that would make him happy. Oh, he's happy now. He's happy. Yay!
Baby is happy now.
Yeah, he's happy now.
And then the dad is sad.
Yeah, he was sad, but now he's happy because he got to see a squirrel.
Idea.
You have another idea? Is the squirrel okay? What happened to him?
I just want no idea.
What is that?
The cow.
Oh, it's a cow. Oh, is that supposed to make him happy?
Yes. This one is sad.
I think he's sad. They're worried about their dad because he's sad.
We're not sad.
No, they're not sad. They're happy now because they saw the cow and the cat.
Is it helper?
Yeah, want to help them? How are you going to help them?
It's helper. The mommy one. What's the mommy one?
The mommy's not on this page. Let's see. Let's turn the page into it. There's the mommy.
Oh,
Thing. What is that thing?
they're not sad.
Nope, she looks pretty happy. Look, she's singing. Thing, sing. That thing can sing. What do you think it's singing?
Let's read the book.
Can you sing? Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, la 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 la.
Sing.
That's a nice song.
And you're dancing?
Song, long. A long, long song. Look how long that song is. Those are all musical notes. Goodbye, thing. You sing too long. She's walking away because that guy's been singing all day.
No. No. Careful,
Be
Dad.
careful, Daddy.
We're careful, Daddy.
Whoa.
Wow.
Happy 4th of July!
Wow.
Woo.
That's it.
One more.
Wanna do one more?
One more.
I got another one I can get.
Okay.
Everly, cool.
Happy 4th! At least one is working. Woo! Yay!
Wow.
Look at that.
Everly, look at me.
Look at Daddy. Wee 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 wee. Mosquito will die.
Yeah.